Hello, welcome to your latest update from the Met Office. A chilly but dry, bright morning for many, and in the east it'll generally stay like that. But in the west we are seeing a change. Clouds spilling in from the Atlantic, the breeze picking up, and yes, outbreaks of rain also arriving. Here is the cloud. You can see it on the satellite image, slowly working in from the Atlantic. Ahead of it, a few showers over Scotland, northern England, even one or two further south across Wales and southwest England. But the main area of rain working into Northern Ireland through the late morning and turning damp in Belfast by around lunchtime. Elsewhere, as I said, most places dry, bar the odd shower. We'll hang on to some hazy sunshine across the Midlands, eastern England throughout the day. But that rain will trickle its way into North Wales, northwest England, southwest Scotland, and the breeze picking up here too. But the breeze is generally coming up from the south. Temperatures still a touch above average for the time of year, even though it was a bit chilly first thing, 8, 9, 10 or 11 in one or two spots. Now, as you go through the evening, that rain will set in across much of Scotland, spread more widely over northern England, North Wales. So turning quite soggy here overnight. Some heavier bursts possible for a time, and then a bit more rain pushes towards Northern Ireland later on. In the south, it stays largely dry. It will be increasingly cloudy, and with more cloud than last night, a much milder night. Temperatures staying at 7 or 8 degrees in most towns and cities. Into Wednesday then, and it's a bit of a north-south split with southern areas largely dry, bar the odd shower, and it should brighten up a touch here. Whereas for many across northern England, Scotland, Northern Ireland, dull, damp start. North Wales, 2 outbreaks of rain and drizzle. Should turn a bit drier across northeast Scotland, northeast England, but northwest England, southern Scotland, particularly over the hills, it'll stay dull and damp for most of the day, and quite breezy too. A little drier in Northern Ireland, but predominantly cloudy across western and northern parts, whereas in the south, a hint of brightness here and there. The wind's coming up from the south, so even though it's mostly cloudy and for some it'll be damp, it is going to be mild. 10, 11, maybe 12, possibly with a bit of sunshine. Temperatures could be a little bit higher than that. And mild is definitely the theme through the second half of this week. Wednesday evening, we keep cloud and patchy rain over parts of Wales, northwest England, maybe the southwest of England too. Some uncertainty about the extent of that rain through the evening, but still the winds are coming up from the south, and there's more where that came from. High pressure dominating across Europe, keeping the weather fronts at bay. More southerly winds wafting further warmth our way by Friday and Saturday. Temperatures back in the mid to high teens, where we see some sunshine. So another spell of, well, spring-like weather, you could say, on the way towards the end of the week. More on that on the Met Office website, or watch our live broadcast on YouTube at 1 o'clock.